What's up, guys? So today I'm not going to do a pole tutorial. I'm going to show you some of the outfits that Musotica sent me. This company is my favorite costume company and my favorite lingerie company. Unfortunately, I can't show you the lingerie because it's not YouTube friendly. And I've already gotten in a lot of trouble on TikTok, so I don't want to get in trouble on here too. So I'm only going to show you the costumes. I also have a little bit of a list because I just got my permanent retainers and they make it hard for me to talk, so don't mind that. Okay, so I'm going to show you these costumes. Some of them aren't like just costumes, they're also like things you can wear for other things. But I'll show you and you can take a look and see what you like for yourself. This one is a personal favorite of mine because it has that fake leather feel, so it's great for doing pole work and stuff. It zips right up and down the front, so that's kind of fun. I'm not going to show the back just because I'm not sure about policies, but it's nice and it fits really like form-fittingly, which is awesome. It is also cool because you can wear it out too, or at least I would. But just throw on a pair of like jean shorts or jeans and bam, you got an outfit for the night. So that's always fun when you can wear something for pole and for like shows and stuff, but when you can also wear it going out and if you just want to like stand out a little bit. Okay, this one makes me feel particularly ninja-y and badassy, obviously. It comes with this mask, which is great. Not COVID safe though, because it has all the holes. But yeah, this one is fun. It's nice and sexy, great for Halloween, and for doing like fun little pole performances in. It has these fun things that wrap around your leg and gives you that fun little like sexy edge. And it's super fun. It's got the mesh going around, but it also has like full coverage of all the things that you would want coverage of. And there are all your outfits. So if you're looking for something fun for the holidays or just something fun just to have something fun, go to Musotica and check them out. Check out their website. The link is in the bio. I also have a little discount code for you guys, so you can go check that out too, because who doesn't like discounts? So yeah, that is that set of outfits. I have a couple other outfit sets from some other companies that I can't wait to show you, and some skincare stuff because I have been on a battle forever with my skin, but I've been finding things that have been working and helping. And then of course more pole tutorials and other like flexibility and circus things. So comment below, let me know what you think, let me know which outfit is your favorite, and let me know what you want to see more of. Okay, see you guys for the next